I know I spend a lot of my time in coffee shops, but I really like cafes. And this one's particularly nice. It's called Green and Cafe for some reason. But as you can see, quite pretty. Anyway, the reason that I'm able to do this, to spend my time in coffee shops and just live a pretty relaxed kind of lifestyle, is because of freedom. I am free of debt and I have cash in the bank. And I think that's one aspect of freedom that everyone would like. And I just want to mention that the easiest way to do that is to minimize your accommodation costs, because that's usually the biggest cost that people have. And the way I did it was to do house sitting with my wife for 2 years, where we looked after other people's houses and their animals. And it was great, really enjoyed it, and was able to save enough money to come here to Japan, buy a house and live a reasonable sort of life. There are a couple of other ways you could do it. One I tried was with a boat, and that works as well. Living on a boat can be incredibly cheap, but you have to pick the right boat, and I didn't, so it cost me money. Another way is to get a van, to live in a van. That's a possibility as well, and there are other ways as well. So just think about it. There are options that you have. Here's my lovely server today. Konnichiwa. Arigato. And here's breakfast. I wasn't expecting so much. So follow me for more ideas on how to find freedom.